Unleashing Growth. An MBA crash course on business development. Introduction. Welcome to our MBA crash course on business development. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of business development, share captivating stories and examples, provide an overview of the top 12 business development techniques, and conclude with a poetic and melodious tribute to the art of driving business growth. Section 1. Business development. Business development is the process of creating long-term value for an organization through the identification and pursuit of growth opportunities. It encompasses activities such as strategic planning, partnerships and alliances, market expansion, and customer acquisition. Let's explore some intriguing stories and examples that highlight the power of effective business development. Story 1. Google's acquisition of YouTube. In 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion. This strategic move allowed Google to enter the rapidly growing online video market and expand its advertising reach. The acquisition not only boosted Google's revenue but also solidified its position as a leader in the digital landscape. Example 1. Airbnb's expansion into experiences. Recognizing the changing travel preferences of consumers, Airbnb ventured beyond its core accommodation offering and launched experiences. This platform allows travelers to book unique local activities and tours, providing a more immersive and authentic travel experience. This innovative business development strategy has significantly diversified Airbnb's revenue streams. Section 2. Top 12 Business Development Techniques. Business development professionals employ a range of techniques to identify growth opportunities, establish strategic partnerships, and drive business expansion. Let's explore the top 12 techniques used in business development. 1. Market analysis. Conducting thorough research to identify emerging trends, customer needs, and untapped markets. 2. Strategic partnerships. Forging alliances with complementary businesses or industry leaders to leverage each other's strengths and expand market reach. 3. Mergers and acquisitions. Identifying potential targets for acquisition or merger to enhance capabilities, enter new markets, or gain competitive advantage. 4. Joint ventures. Collaborating with other organizations to combine resources, share risks, and capitalize on shared opportunities. 5. New product development. Innovating and diversifying product offerings to meet changing customer demands and gain a competitive edge. 6. Geographic expansion. Expanding into new regions or countries to tap into untapped markets and broaden customer base. 7. Channel development. Building and optimizing distribution channels to reach new customers and improve market penetration. 8. Strategic alliances. Forming partnerships with suppliers, distributors, or technology providers to enhance business operations and drive growth. 9. Customer relationship management. Implementing strategies and tools to nurture existing customer relationships and drive repeat business. 10. Strategic pricing. Developing pricing strategies that maximize profitability while remaining competitive in the market. 11. Networking and relationship building. Cultivating a strong professional network and fostering relationships with industry influencers, potential clients, and partners. 12. Market expansion. Identifying opportunities to expand the organization's presence in existing markets through new offerings, customer segments, or distribution channels. Section 3. Summary. In this MBA crash course on business development, we explored the art of driving business growth through strategic planning, partnerships, and market expansion. We witnessed how companies like Google and Airbnb leveraged business development techniques to stay ahead of the competition and seize new opportunities. Business development professionals play a vital role in driving organizational growth, helping companies navigate through changing market dynamics and identify avenues for expansion. By employing the top 12 business development techniques, organizations can stay agile, innovate, and seize growth opportunities. Poem. In the realm of business, where growth takes flight, business development shines so bright. Stories of triumph, we shall unveil. And techniques that drive success, we shall detail. Google and YouTube, a match so grand. A strategic acquisition, a future unplanned. Expanding horizons, revenues soaring high. Through business development, they reached the sky. Airbnb, a lodging pioneer they became. But business development was their claim to fame. Experiences they offered, a unique endeavor. Expanding their reach, the world they would conquer. Now let's uncover the top techniques so vast that fuel business development, making it last. Market analysis, the first step we take. Identifying trends, opportunities we make. Strategic partnerships, alliances we form. Together we grow, weathering any storm. Mergers and acquisitions, a strategic play. Joining forces, paving the way. Joint ventures, collaboration with might. Shared risks, shared success, a future so bright. New products we develop, innovation takes hold. Addressing customer needs, our story unfolds. Geographic expansion, new territories we explore. Captivating new markets, forever we'll soar. Channel development, distribution's key. Reaching customers far and wide, can't you see? Strategic alliances, suppliers and more. Together we thrive, like never before. Customer relationships, we nurture and care. Building loyalty, a bond beyond compare. Strategic pricing, profitability in sight. Competitive yet sustainable, pricing done right. Networking and relationships, connections so dear. Influencers and partners, bringing success near. Market expansion, existing markets we expand. New offerings, segments, in our command. These techniques, a business's arsenal so grand. Driving growth, making a stand. In the realm of business development, we thrive. Harnessing opportunities, keeping dreams alive. Section 4. Song. Verse 1. In the world of business, where dreams take flight. Business development guides us through the night. From Google's acquisitions to Airbnb's expansion. These stories of success are our inspiration. Chorus. Business development, the art of growth. Harnessing strategies to chart a bold oath. Market analysis, alliances in sync. Innovating products, on the brink. Verse 2. Mergers and joint ventures, partnerships so strong. Fueling progress, propelling us along. Geographic expansion, new markets we embrace. Channel development, reaching every place. Bridge. Customer relationships, the key to our heart. Strategic pricing, an integral part. Networking and relationships, a web we weave. Market expansion, our goals we achieve. Chorus. Business development, a path to success. Unleashing growth, we strive for nothing less. With techniques in hand, we'll make our mark. Driving business forward, lighting the spark. Outro. As we conclude this MBA crash course. Business development's endless force. Embrace the techniques, with knowledge in store. Unleash your potential, forevermore. In conclusion, this MBA crash course on business development has explored the art of driving business growth through strategic planning, partnerships, and market expansion. We've seen how companies like Google and Airbnb have leveraged business development techniques to achieve remarkable success. Remember, business development is an ongoing journey that requires adaptability, creativity, and a keen eye for opportunities. By implementing the top 12 techniques and harnessing the power of collaboration and innovation, you can propel your organization forward and achieve sustainable growth. So, go forth with determination and a strategic mindset, and let business development be your guiding light. May your ventures thrive, your networks expand, and your dreams become a reality. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.